So before going to start the next exercise problem, we have to know this definition. The definition is linear pair of angles. A pair of adjacent angles whose sum is 180 degree or straight angle is called a linear pair of angles. Here, adjacent angles means the angles which is next to each other, whose sum is always how much here? 180 degree. This means here first we have to draw the straight angle. Here straight, and this is the straight angle which measures always 180 degree. This is a straight angle which always measures 180 degree. Next we have to draw the adjacent angles. For solving the adjacent angles, we need a ray. A ray is, if the ray is stand on a line, then this type of figure is said to be a linear pair angle. Here give the name as the A, B, C, and this point is said to be a O. Here OC is the ray which is intersect to the line AB. Here AB is a straight angle which measures up to 180 degree. On the line AB, OC is intersected. So when it is intersected, here we get two angles. These two angles are said to be adjacent angles. These two angles are said to be adjacent angles. Here these two angles are next to each other. The pair of adjacent angle whose sum is 180 degree. If you are adding these two angles, is always sum is how much we get here? 180 degree. For an example, here this is a straight angle. Here if we get like this figure, here if it is 40 degree and if it is a 140 degree. When we are going to add these two, 140 plus 40 is how much here? Is equal to 180 degree. The pair of adjacent angle whose always sum is 180 degree. Then this type of figure is said to be a linear pair angle. One more example. Here this is a linear pair angle. I'll give the name this as a, here this value is the 50 degree and we don't know, here give the name as a x. Here we don't know this value. How to find? Here we have to find the x value. So we have to add the adjacent angle whose sum is always equal to 180 degree. This is 50 degree plus, here we don't know this value, so keep here x. Here we have an unknown variable x, which is equal to the sum of two adjacent angles is how much here? 180 degree, which is our definition. Here we have to find this side angle, so x, keep x as it is, which is equal to 50 is a constant number. This number goes to, when it goes to the right hand side, the plus 50 degree become a minus 50 degree. So right here 180 degree minus 50 degree. So 180 minus 150 is how much? 130 degree. So here how much you get here? 130 degree. So 130 plus 150 is how much? 180. This is the examples of linear pair angle. Linear pair angle, it has a straight angle and the ray is intersect to the straight angle. This type of figure is said to be a linear pair angle. Here give the name A, O, B. AOB is the straight angle. Here OC, the ray OC is intersect to the line AB. Then AOC plus angle COB is equal to how much? 180 degree. Angle AOC, angle AOC plus angle COB is equal to 180 degree. This is our formula. Here angle AOC plus COB is equal to 180 degree. This is the definition of linear pair angle. AOC and ACOB are the adjacent angles. Hello everyone. Today I am going to discuss the question 6th in that sub question B. Here they given a figure. In this figure total how many sides are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Total 4 sides are there. So the 4 sides figure means we may say at it is a quadrilateral. So here they given a interior angles values. Interior angles means inside the angles which are inside of the figure. Just observe here x 70 degree, 60 degree, which are the angles inside of the figure, and one more angle they given which is a right angle which is outside of the figure. So this type of angle is said to be a exterior angle. So here they given here inside this angle is not given. So first we have to find the this angle. So let's give the vertices name x, y, z, q, and here they extended this line, give this name as a t. So this is the given figure. Here first we have to find this value. We don't know this part of the value. So here I am going to apply the linear pair angle. Linear pair of angles. According to definition, here the figure is like this one. Here x to q, this is x to q, x to q, and t to z. T to z, here this is the right angle, they given here a 90 degree. Yes, the figure is like this only, just observe here. Yes, x to q, t to z, x to q, t to z, one side of the angle value is 90 degree. This type of figure is said to be a linear pair angle. According to definition of linear pair angle is two angles are adjacent angles whose sum is 180 degree, which is our definition. So apply, first we have to find this value. So apply the linear pair angles condition. The angle condition is here adjacent angle which is adjacent 90 degree, and this angle we don't know. So give any variable name. I'll give a name here a, okay, which is equal to 180 degree. Because we don't know this side of value, I'm giving a name as a 90 degree plus a is equal to how much? 180 degree. I am giving this name as a, okay. So a is the unknown variable, keep as it is, which is equal to 180 degree, keep as it is, which is minus here the plus 90 degree. When it is goes to the right hand side, plus become a minus 90 degree. 180 minus 90 is again a 90 degree. So this part is how much here? 90 degree. Okay, so first we have to apply the linear pair angle for this figure. Okay, so xtq plus xqz is equal to 180 degree. Right here xtq plus angle xqz is equal to 180 degree. I am applying linear pair angle. Next, total how many sides are here? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sides. So we know the 4 here they given a 3 angles, and we have to find the x value. This means here we have to apply the angle sum property of quadrilateral, because this figure has a 4 side. Don't consider the exterior side. Okay, just observe here 1, 2, 3, 4. The figure has a 4 side. This figure is said to be a quadrilateral. So I am applying here sum of the angles of quadrilateral sum of the angles of quadrilateral is equal to how much here? 360 degree. Total how many angles are there? X, Y, Z, Q. These are the angles. Here sum of the four angles. So angle X plus angle Y plus angle Z plus angle Q, which is equal to 360 degree. Angle X, what it is here? It is the variable X only. We have to calculate that value only and keep plus as it is. Angle Y is how much here? 70 degree. Plus angle Z 60 degree. Angle Q, only this part you should take here. Right hand side, which we have to consider interior angle for Q, that is 90 degree, which is equal to 360 degree. Next, keep X as it is. Here we have to add these constant degrees. 70 degree plus 60 degree plus 90 degrees is 220 degree, which is equal to 360 degree. Now keep X as it is. Keep X as it is. Here 220 degree the constant number. If it is goes to the right hand side, plus 220 become a minus 220 degree. So X is equal to 360 degree. So when it is goes to the right hand side, plus sign become a minus sign and the number is 220 degree. 360 minus 220 is how much here? 140 degree. The X value is how much here? 140 degree. This is our solution.